Matik na yan. Okay, magandang gabi. Ako nga pala si MT ng The Okay Man. Ngayong gabi, nandito tayo ngayon sa event sa may City Boy Brew sa may Marikina. Sir, pakilala ka po.
Ako nga pala si David. David ng Isabel, guitarist and vocalist din ng Fairfly.
Ayun sir, ano yung may mga originals na po kayo na nakalabas sa mga digital stores?
Actually wala pa eh. But we're working on some songs with Isabel. So hopefully maybe next week or next month at least.
Ayun sir, ano yung mga usual po na na theme or motif or yung topic ng mga music niyo?
Most of the time about love. Alam niyo naman yung discrepancies in love and stuff. Yun lang, puro love eh. Puro love songs.
Ano yung usual na yung concept niyo ng paggawa ng kanta?
Sa paggawa ko ng kanta, it comes by, alam niyo yun, yung parang if merong topic na dumating sa akin, kahit anong ginagawa ko, I'll stop it and then I'll create the songs. So, composer din kasi ako sa both of the bands that I've mentioned earlier. So, yun lang. I mean, inspiration talaga eh. It's nothing technical and stuff. So, yeah.
Bali, gano'n na po kayo katagal as artist?
I started as a full-time 3 years ago. After pandemic, doon na nagsimula.
Okay, bago ang lahat and then para sa last question namin, mula ulo hanggang paa sir, magkano yung outfit mo?
Outfit ko? 1.5. Sama mo yung sama mo to. Yeah.
Ayun, again, bago matapos, promote mo sir yung banda mo and then yung inyong mga socials.
Once again, my name is David, guitarist ng Isabel, YSSABELE, Fairfly, FAIRFLY, also doing some solos. Unfortunately, wala pa akong mga release songs, but soon, maybe next month or again next week. And yes, please support them, The Okay Man. Malupit, old song and old school, you'll feel it naman eh. So yeah, thank you.
Sir, thank you.